Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today I want to feature my slightly customized Volvo 850 Estate from Hot Wheels with a simple wheel swap. Let's get started. So just a simple wheel swap and some minor details added to the car, like the racing harness and the seats right there, the blackout door handles and such. The casting alone is definitely incredible. There's some separate pieces like the bumper, the grille inserts. I like the headlight tampos. Onto the side, you can see the blackout pieces, but the wheels still rolls. It's a rubber tires with the plastic wheels. Also inserted disc brakes, give it a more realistic look. Whoops. The front windows are rolled down to reveal that all black plastic interior. I like the sunroof on top. It's very basic. I like the door lines. There's also a spare tires at the back as well as a nitrous tank. That's very interesting, but the level of details at the back is quite good. You get the taillights, the Volvo logo on the left as well as the 850 on the right side. And check out that tab in the license plate bracket. That is part of the plastic base, and that will hold it in place with a metal body instead of a rivet. So that is a new approach. I like it very much. So overall, it's a very exquisite replica of the Volvo 850, and there you have it, my slightly customized Hot Wheels Volvo 850 Estate. Please check out my other videos. That's the end of it.